Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Esim and that iOS is up to date. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, make sure you have the carrier QR code, numeric activation code, or the carrier app credentials. You need one of these to provision the line. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and ensure battery charge stays above 20% so the installation does not fail mid-process. Now open Settings to start adding your eSIM. You open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This is where the phone listens for activation info. If you have a QR code, scan it with the camera. If not, choose Enter Details manually and type the SMDS or activation code your carrier gave you. After the plan is recognized, label it, for example, work or personal, and decide whether it becomes your primary voice line or secondary data line, because that choice controls call and data routing once activation completes. You finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure the network stack registers the new eSIM. This often resolves lingering registration. Then check that you have signal bars, cellular data access, and SMS capability. Accept any carrier settings updates that appear because they finalize provisioning. If things go wrong, activation times out or no service, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi, re-scanning the QR, or re-entering the code. And if that fails, call your carrier so they can push a re-provisioning or troubleshoot account issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.